Hey there, crafters and entrepreneurs. Are you looking to take your custom designs to the next level? Want to start your own t-shirt business or create personalized gifts for friends and family? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of heat press machines. These versatile tools can help you transfer designs onto t-shirts, mugs, hats, and so much more. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 heat press machines on the market. Let's get started. 10. Homedex heat press. This 5-in-1 multifunctional machine is a great entry-level option for those just starting out in the world of heat transfer. I've had the chance to test this machine out, and I have to say, I'm impressed with its versatility. The Homedex heat press comes with 5 interchangeable plates, allowing you to work on a variety of projects. You can easily switch between the flat plate for t-shirts, the hat attachment for caps, and even smaller plates for mugs and plates. This flexibility is perfect for those who want to experiment with different types of projects without investing in multiple machines. One of the standout features of this machine is its user-friendly digital control panel. The LCD display clearly shows the temperature and time settings, making it easy to adjust for different materials. I found the temperature control to be quite accurate, which is crucial for achieving consistent results. The 15 by 15 inch heating plate provides ample space for most projects, and the Teflon-coated surface ensures that your designs transfer smoothly without sticking. The clamshell design makes it easy to load and unload your items, although it does require a bit more force to close than some higher-end models. While the Homedex heat press may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive machines, it's a solid choice for beginners or hobbyists. Its compact size makes it suitable for home use, and the included instructions are clear and helpful for those new to heat pressing. 9. Seeutek heat press machine. This 12 by 10 inch press is another great option for those just starting out or working with smaller designs. After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say that it offers good value for its price point. One of the first things I noticed about the Seeutek is its sturdy construction. Despite its compact size, it feels well built and durable. The heating element distributes heat evenly across the plate, which is crucial for achieving consistent results on your projects. The digital time and temperature control is a standout feature of this machine. It allows for precise adjustments, and I found it to be quite accurate in maintaining the set temperature. The LED display is clear and easy to read, even in low light conditions. One aspect that impressed me was the Seeutek's quick heating time. It reaches the desired temperature relatively fast, which is great when you're working on multiple projects or have limited time. The machine also comes with a Teflon sheet, which helps protect your designs and the heating plate. While the 12 by 10 inch plate size may be limiting for larger designs, it's perfect for most t-shirt graphics, small signage, and other compact projects. The clamshell design opens wide, making it easy to position your items accurately. However, like many machines in this price range, it lacks a pressure adjustment feature, which might be a drawback for some users. 8. SURPCOS heat press machine. This 5-in-1 multifunctional press offers a great balance of versatility and affordability. After spending some time with this machine, I can say it's a solid choice for those looking to expand their heat pressing capabilities. The SURPCOS comes with 5 interchangeable plates, similar to the Homedex. However, I found the plate changing process to be slightly more intuitive on this model. The main 12 by 15 inch plate is perfect for t-shirts and larger designs, while the smaller attachments allow you to work on hats, mugs, and plates with ease. One feature that stood out to me was the 360-degree rotation of the upper platen. This makes it much easier to position your items and apply even pressure across the entire surface. It's a feature often found on more expensive models, so it's great to see it included here. The digital control panel on the SURPCOS is well designed and easy to use. It allows for precise temperature and time settings, and I found it to be quite accurate in my tests. The machine heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the pressing process. I was particularly impressed with the build quality of this machine. It feels sturdy and well constructed, which is important when you're dealing with high temperatures. The silicone rubber base provides excellent insulation and helps prevent any unwanted heat transfer to your work surface. While the SURPCOS performs well overall, I did notice that the pressure adjustment could be a bit finicky. It takes some practice to get it just right, especially when switching between different types of projects. 7. PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Sublimation Heat Press Machine. This 15 by 15 inch press is a step up in terms of quality and performance, and it shows in the results it produces. The first thing that struck me about the PowerPress was its robust construction. This machine is built to last, with a solid steel frame that provides excellent stability during operation. The weight of the machine, around 53 pounds, might make it less portable, but it also contributes to its durability and consistent performance. One of the standout features of the PowerPress is its large, easy-to-read LCD control panel. The digital display shows both the current and set temperatures, as well as the time remaining on your press. I found the controls to be intuitive and responsive, allowing for quick adjustments between projects. The heating element on this machine is impressive. It heats up quickly and maintains a very consistent temperature across the entire 15 by 15 inch surface. This is crucial for achieving even, high-quality transfers, especially when working with larger designs or full-size t-shirts. I was particularly impressed with the pressure adjustment system on the PowerPress. Unlike some cheaper models, this machine allows for very precise pressure control. This is especially useful when working with different types of materials that require varying levels of pressure for optimal results. The PowerPress also features a swing-away design, which I found to be a significant advantage over clamshell models. It allows for easier positioning of items and reduces the risk of accidental contact with the hot upper platen. This design also makes it easier to use thicker items like plaques or tile without straining the hinge. Six. VEVOR Heat Press. Rounding out our list at number 6 is the VEVOR Heat Press. This 8-in-1 multifunctional machine offers incredible versatility and is a great option for those looking to tackle a wide variety of heat press projects. The VEVOR Heat Press comes with a generous 15 by 15 inch main platen, perfect for t-shirts and larger designs. But what really sets this machine apart is the array of additional attachments it comes with, from hats and mugs to plates and even shoe soles. This machine can handle it all. I was impressed by how easy it was to switch between the different attachments, making it simple to work on multiple types of projects in a single session. One of the standout features of the VEVOR is its 360-degree rotation and swing-away design. This combination makes it incredibly easy to position your items accurately and apply even pressure across the entire surface. The swing-away feature also adds an extra layer of safety, keeping your hands away from the hot upper platen when loading and unloading items. The digital control panel on the VEVOR is well designed and user-friendly. It allows for precise temperature control up to 399 degrees Fahrenheit and time settings up to 999 seconds. I found the temperature to be very stable during operation, which is crucial for achieving consistent results across multiple pressings. The build quality of the VEVOR is impressive, especially considering its price point. The machine feels solid and well constructed, with a sturdy frame that minimizes vibration during use. The silicone rubber base provides excellent insulation, protecting your work surface from heat damage. Five. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. Now, this isn't your typical heat press machine, but it's a game changer for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. I've had the pleasure of using this little powerhouse, and I have to say, it's impressed me in more ways than one. First off, let's talk about its size. The Cricut EasyPress 2 comes in various sizes, but the 12 by 10 inch model strikes a perfect balance between portability and functionality. It's lightweight enough to move around easily, yet large enough to handle most standard t-shirt designs. This makes it ideal for those who don't have dedicated craft space or need to take their heat press on the go. One of the standout features of the EasyPress 2 is its precise temperature control. You can set the temperature anywhere from 210 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you the flexibility to work with a wide range of materials. I found the digital display to be clear and easy to read, and the temperature remained consistent throughout my projects. The EasyPress 2 heats up incredibly fast. We're talking about 60 seconds to reach 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a huge time saver, especially when you're working on multiple projects. The ceramic-coated heat plate distributes heat evenly, which I found crucial for achieving consistent results across larger designs. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The EasyPress 2 is incredibly user-friendly. Its flat, smooth surface makes it easy to apply even pressure, and the ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip. I particularly appreciated the insulated safety base, which provides a secure place to rest the EasyPress between applications. For RoyalPress T-shirt heat press machine. This 15 by 15 inch press is a step up in terms of size and functionality, and it's designed for those who are serious about their heat press projects. The first thing that caught my eye about the RoyalPress was its sleek, professional appearance. The black exterior with the color LED display gives it a modern, high-tech look. But it's not just about looks, this machine is built to perform. One of the standout features of the RoyalPress is its large, full-color LED display. It's incredibly easy to read and provides all the information you need at a glance. The touchscreen controls are responsive and intuitive, making it easy to adjust settings even in the middle of a busy production run. The 15 by 15 inch heat platen is perfect for larger designs and full-size t-shirts. I found the heating to be quick and even, with no cold spots across the surface. The temperature range goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is higher than many competitors and allows for working with a wider range of materials. What really impressed me about the RoyalPress was its pressure adjustment system. The pressure knob is easy to access and allows for very fine adjustments. This is crucial when working with different types of materials that require varying levels of pressure for optimal results. The clamshell design of the RoyalPress opens wide, making it easy to position items accurately. However, I did find that it requires a bit more force to close than some of the models. On the plus side, this ensures a firm, even pressure across the entire platen. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. This 15 by 15 inch press brings some impressive automation features to the table, making it a great choice for those looking to streamline their heat press operations. The standout feature of the HTVRONT is its auto-release function. You can set the machine to automatically open after the preset time has elapsed, which is a game changer if you're working on multiple items. I found this feature to be incredibly useful, especially during longer production runs where consistency is key. The HTVRONT heats up remarkably fast. We're talking about reaching 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 to 5 minutes. This quick heat-up time, combined with the auto-release function, significantly speeds up the production process. In my tests, I was able to complete projects much faster with this machine compared to manual presses. Another impressive aspect of the HTVRONT is its even heat distribution. The machine uses a unique heating wire layout that ensures consistent temperature across the entire 15 by 15 inch platen. This resulted in uniform transfers even on larger designs that covered the entire pressing area. The digital control panel on the HTVRONT is well designed and user-friendly. It allows for precise temperature control up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit and time settings up to 999 seconds. I particularly appreciated the clear, easy-to-read display that shows both the current and set temperatures. In terms of build quality, the HTVRONT feels solid and well constructed. The heavy-duty steel frame provides excellent stability during operation, which is crucial for achieving consistent results. The non-stick coated heat platen is a nice touch, making it easy to clean and maintain. 2. Slendor 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. This versatile powerhouse offers incredible value for those looking to expand their heat press capabilities beyond just t-shirts. The Slendor comes with 5 interchangeable plates, a 12x15-inch flat platen for t-shirts and general use, a hat/cap press, and attachments for mugs and plates. I was impressed by how easy it was to switch between these different attachments, making it simple to tackle a variety of projects in a single session. One of the standout features of the Slendor is its 360-degree rotation and swing-away design. This combination makes it incredibly easy to position your items accurately and apply even pressure across the entire surface. I found this particularly useful when working with thicker items or when I needed to make last-minute adjustments to my design placement. The digital control panel on the Slendor is well designed and user-friendly. It allows for precise temperature control up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and time settings up to 999 seconds. In my tests, I found the temperature to be very stable during operation, which is crucial for achieving consistent results across multiple pressings. I was particularly impressed with the build quality of the Slendor. Despite its multifunctional nature, it feels solid and well constructed. The heavy-duty steel frame provides excellent stability, and the silicone rubber base offers good insulation and protects your work surface. 1. HTVRONT Heat Press Mini Heat Press Machine. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have a bit of a wild card, the HTVRONT Heat Press Mini Heat Press Machine. Now, I know what you're thinking, how can a mini press be the best? Well, let me tell you, good things really do come in small packages. First off, let's talk about portability. The HTVRONT Mini is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for crafters on the go or those with limited workspace. Despite its small size, it packs a serious punch in terms of performance. One of the standout features of the HTVRONT Mini is its rapid heating capability. This little powerhouse can reach temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 minutes. I was genuinely surprised by how quickly it heated up and how well it maintained its temperature during use. The ceramic-coated heat plate, while small, distributes heat evenly across its surface. This resulted in consistent, high-quality transfers even on smaller items like patches, labels, and small shirt designs. I was particularly impressed with how well it handled intricate designs. The results were crisp and vibrant. The HTVRONT Mini features a simple yet effective control system. The temperature can be adjusted between 284 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers most heat transfer vinyl and sublimation projects. The auto shut-off feature after 10 minutes of inactivity is a nice safety touch. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 heat press machines for 2025. Whether you're a professional looking for a high-output machine or a hobbyist in need of a portable solution, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the best heat press for you depends on your specific needs and projects. Consider factors like the types of items you'll be pressing, your workspace, and your budget when making your decision. Happy pressing, everyone!